Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I've had a bit of a break because YouTube wasn't treating me right, but I'm back because I miss you guys. So if you guys want to see this channel succeed, please subscribe, go into my channel link and always check for videos because YouTube doesn't dole them out to you. They have shadow banned me even though they don't have apparently that policy. So I'm really cut at YouTube about that. I've complained about it, but nothing's happened. Anyways, so this is the unboxing of the TUF by Asus, the RTX 3080 Ti, the one with the 12 gigs of VRAM. Before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know that this has already been opened. I'm just doing the unboxing. I had to do a lot of tests, so hang on in there for the tests. So this is what to expect. The box is quite huge. Okay, it's not too small. It's a huge box there. So that's basically it for the box. Let's get this open. I think I was too excited when I got the GPU to actually remember to do the unboxing, and I just opened it up. Okay, so as you can see, there's little Asus is written on the box, which is really cool to see. There's a nice gold Asus logo. This is no rogue streaks, but I have a lot of admiration for Asus. I really like them, and let's see if they've redeemed their TUF lineup, because they really stuffed it up in the last generation. So that's a little thank you. Get this certificate with it as well. You get a little card, some warranty stuff. Okay, let's put this aside for a second. And this is the bad boy that we're all here to see. Okay, let's remove these. Okay, I have removed it. Let's see. Yep, plastic has been removed. Has it? Looks like it hasn't, so I will remove it right now. It'll suck if the plastic isn't supposed to be removed and I remove it and damage it. Yeah, this one's definitely needs to be removed. You don't want to leave plastic bits on your GPU, because this is supposed to be letting off all the heat out in the atmosphere, and plastic isn't too good a conductor. So what it'll do is it'll just slam it there. What I like to see is the switch being labeled properly. So with my SFX Speedster Mech 319 RX 6900 XT Black Edition, they don't do that. It's a beautiful card, magnificently built, but they just didn't put this. So this is a quiet mode, performance mode. You want to have it in performance mode unless if you've got a water cooling system and you run it really quietly and things like that. But for me, I have it as performance mode. I don't think the plastic here was taken off either. So let's see that. Okay, I'll leave it to later, but that's basically the card. Okay, that's how good it is. Look at that. Heat pipes and everything. Right, that's basically it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Please keep the channel going by watching all the videos as much as you can, and always search for honest, straightforward reviews, even if you're subscribed, because I've been told that YouTube isn't letting you guys know that I have new videos. All right, thank you for watching. Take good care. Bye-bye.